Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on Samsung M35 device. Well, with the increasing trend of remote work and online learning, a reliable Wi-Fi connection is essential for participating in virtual meetings, attending classes, accessing educational resources, and collaborating with college or classmates. So, fixing Wi-Fi connectivity problem is crucial for ensuring a smooth remote work and learning experience. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, access the settings menu on your device. So, select the connections menu, and here choose the Wi-Fi option. After that, click on the three dots at the top right corner, then select Advanced Settings. So from the Advanced Settings, you can just manage network to view a list of connected networks. Okay, you can delete all connected network from this menu and reconnect them if needed. Okay, after managing the network, switch off your device as part of the troubleshooting process. Okay, and then to further address connectivity issues, enter to the Settings menu and select General Management option. Okay, and here scroll down and choose the Reset option. So, select Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, and then a confirmation message will appear stating that this action will reset all Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings and it cannot be undone. So, press the option to proceed with the reset. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel.